Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to raise an advance request within the expenses application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the expense application, he or she can simply click on the advance option by clicking on the add claim button. Once done, the pop-up is displayed where the various categories of advance request is displayed. The fields are loaded based upon the category which you are currently selecting. If you request a salary advance, different fields are present. Once done, all the details about the person who is requesting is auto-filled and the total amount that the person requests for an advance is to be entered by the user. Once done, the system automatically displays us with the installment options through which the user can select any one that is suitable based upon their feasibility. The reasons need to be mentioned. And finally, once the description is done, the user can simply click on the Create Advance button and the advance is created successfully and an approval workflow is triggered. Thank you for watching.